Welcome to another Go RV Van of the Week. Now this time we are checking out the Infinity Gold by Wonder Roo. Now this is actually a customer's van. He bought it 4 or 5 months ago. He's just brought it back to the Wonder Roo factory for a service. While it's here, we thought we'd have a quick look. And I'm telling you, the layout is fantastic. It's got a split bathroom, front bed, rear club lounge, and it looks sensational. So let's check it out. Now this is what I mean. You've got that rear club lounge, couple of Sirocco fans right where you want them. Here we have a front loader washing machine under this cabinet. Now this is fairly typical for a split bathroom layout. Now to have the washing machine here in the main cabin as opposed to the bathroom really works well. Now come and check this out. Look how much space there is in this bathroom. Room for your bits and pieces, plenty of leg room around the toilet. And the fact that you've got 2 doors separating the main cabin from the front bedroom, look, in a caravan, that is just ultimate privacy. Now, is it just me, or does this bedroom look fantastic? Now, I noticed that this particular caravan has shelves rather than wardrobe hanging space. To me, that's actually a sensible use of space. I like that. Now, this is a really good storage system. I like the way it's all compartmentalised. Couple of drawers here. This looks like a really usable space.
This van's set up to live and work off-grid. It has a customised fusion sound system with 3 zones, a 3000 watt inverter, 840 watts worth of solar and 400 amp hours of battery capacity.
Just going by the fit and finish of this caravan and just the overall, general appeal, to me it's no wonder that Wonder Roo is making a bigger and bigger impression on Australian caravans. If you haven't seen a Wonder Roo before, I reckon check them out.